Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for ways to make some extra cash online? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the laziest way to make money online for beginners. These methods are not only easy to follow but also reliable and proven to work, and last method is too interesting and easy way to make money online. So, sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. One of the easiest and most popular ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing. It's a simple process where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique referral link. The best part? You don't need to create your own products or deal with customer support. All you have to do is find a product you like, sign up for the affiliate program, and start promoting it on your blog or social media platforms. Some popular affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. With the right strategies and tactics, you can earn a substantial income from affiliate marketing without even leaving your house. Taking online surveys is a great way to make money with little effort. There are a plethora of survey sites available, and it's essential to sign up for ones that are legitimate and offer a good payout. Swagbucks is one of the most popular survey sites, and it's easy to use. The site offers a variety of surveys, and you can also earn points by watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. You can redeem your points for cash via PayPal or gift cards. Another survey site is Survey Junkie, which is known for its straightforward user interface and fast payouts. The site pays users in points, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Vindale Research is also a reputable survey site that offers higher payouts than other survey sites. The site offers surveys, product reviews, and online studies, and you can earn up to $50 per survey. Other popular survey sites include Taluna, MyPoints, and Pinecone Research. It's important to keep in mind that while taking surveys is an easy way to make money online, it won't make you rich overnight. However, if you consistently put in the effort, you can earn a decent amount of extra cash each month. Another easy way to make money online is by testing websites and apps. Websites like User Testing and Testing Time pay users to test and review websites and apps for usability and functionality. As a tester, you'll be given a set of tasks to complete while using the website or app, and you'll be required to provide feedback on your experience. This is a great way to earn some extra cash while also improving the user experience for others. The pay for website and app testing can vary, but you can expect to earn anywhere from $10 to $60 per test. Just keep in mind that you'll need a computer or mobile device and a reliable internet connection to get started. Additionally, it's important to provide honest and constructive feedback to help improve the website or app for future users. Another easy way to make money online is by simply browsing the internet. Kmi and Honey are two popular browser extensions that offer rewards for using their services. Kmi pays users to click on ads that appear in their search results. All you have to do is install the Kmi browser extension, and when you search for something online, you may see sponsored results appear alongside your regular search results. If you click on a sponsored result, you'll earn a few cents. The payout is usually small, but it can add up over time. Honey, on the other hand, rewards users with cashback for shopping at their partner stores. The browser extension will automatically search for and apply coupon codes at checkout, so you can save money while shopping online. Honey also offers a rewards program where users can earn points for making purchases, which can be redeemed for gift cards. Both Kmi and Honey are free to use and require minimal effort on your part. Simply install the browser extension and continue browsing as usual. While you may not earn a lot of money, it's an easy and effortless way to earn some extra cash. Did you know that you can make money by selling your photos online? Websites like Shutterstock, iStock, and Getty Images allow you to upload your photos and sell them to businesses and individuals. All you need is a good quality camera and an eye for capturing great shots. You can sell photos of anything from landscapes to food, and even simple objects like pencils and coffee cups. With a little creativity, you can turn your hobby of photography into a profitable side hustle. Just make sure to read and follow the guidelines for each website to ensure your photos are accepted and sell well. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any other tips or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.